Okay. So we were saying that there is a table, and on the table we are placing a tuning fork which is already vibrating. Okay, this is a vibrating tuning fork. So when we touch the table also starts vibrating. So table gets forced vibration. The vibration of the table is known as forced vibration. And because of whom it is vibrating? Because of the tuning fork. So tuning fork is giving the driving force, or it is also known as the driver in this case. Okay. So this is the meaning of forced vibrations. Now let us see some examples which are given. So this was the first example we have seen. Second example is that of the diaphragm of a gramophone sound box with frequencies corresponding to the tones conveyed from the record are forced vibrations. Okay. Now you have seen that there is a record player. Okay. Record यहाँ पे play हो रहा है, and then that gramophone is having that this kind of structure. Okay. यहाँ से आवाज निकलता है, right? So what happens? This player which is playing over here, this ये makes the diaphragm to vibrate, and the diaphragm over here which is there in this, it vibrates and you are able to use the sound. So this vibration is a forced vibration caused by the record whichever is playing. This record which is playing, this is giving you the driving force to vibrate this diaphragm, and this diaphragm vibrates and you are able to hear the sound. So this is forced vibration. Then when you are playing the guitar, in guitar what is happening? Guitar there is strings. Now see, suppose this is your guitar. Okay, as I told you, I am very bad at drawing. These are the strings. Now you are going to pluck the string, right, with your finger, and then it is going to vibrate. So this is also a forced vibration. This is also a forced vibration. All the string instruments you are plucking, so all of them are having forced vibration. They are forcing the air column inside to vibrate and create the sound. Now in your book they have given you the distinguish between free vibration and forced vibration. Free vibration and forced vibration. Now the free vibration, they don't have any resistance, so there is no resistance. Whereas in case of your vibrations, they are having resistance, and they are always they are being resisted. They are having resistance of the particles, frictional resistance. Now they have no external force acting on them. There is external force. External force. And what is this force known as? Driving force. Driving force. Next, the frequency depends upon the shape and size. Frequency depends upon shape and size. But here the frequency depends upon the frequency of the applied force. Frequency of applied force. जो उसको driving force दे रहा है. That one of applied force. Then here the frequency is always constant. Here the frequency changes as the driving force changes. Now the amplitude over here is also constant. Amplitude is constant. Whereas in case of force, the amplitude also changes. Now how does the amplitude change? We will see. Now suppose this is the body B, this is the body A. Now A is giving the driving force to this. A is giving the driving force. So, and B is having the forced vibration because of this. Now suppose the natural or the free frequency of B. Okay, understood? A and B are two bodies. B is giving the driving force to B, and because of his B is under vibration. Now A and B. Now suppose the frequency of B is 50. If A is giving a frequency which is equal, driving force is having the frequency equal to 50, then B is going to have the maximum amplitude. Okay? And if it is going to have less than, then the amplitude will be less. Okay? If frequency of A is less than frequency of B, then amplitude is going to be diminished. Amplitude will reduce. But if A is giving the force whose frequency is somewhere equal to the natural frequency of B, then the maximum is, amplitude is going to be maximum. Remember this, very important. If A gives driving force of frequency nearly equal to natural frequency of B, तब क्या हो जाएगा? B is going to vibrate the maximum. Then you are going to get the maximum amplitude. Okay? So this completes your unit 7.8 तक हो जाता है points. Okay?